In this video, I'm rocking out more mango cocktails, kind of a mango martini, tropical notes. Oh, I cannot wait to taste this. Welcome back, Drinkstuff fans. Let's just get that for the close-ups in a second. This is a mango martini. That's as creative as I've got with the name. So if you want to give this a different name, feel free, dive down in the comments below and come up with your name suggestions. Boozy, tropical notes for this. I've used, as you can see, I've used Monin's mango syrup. I will give you some alternatives in a second, but most of these you get from Drinkstuff. This is a rum-based cocktail. Let's see what it tastes like. oh, that is me all down to a T. You've got mango notes, you've got the boozy rum notes. We've kind of got the tiki elements that are coming through there. You get the subtle hints of ginger, almond. That is proper up my street. Right, so let's run you through the ingredients for this one. Really excited to make this one. Monin's mango syrup, of course, mango puree, ODK mango, just some sort of mango syrup puree based. Funkin would be another one that you could use. All of those available from Drinkstuff. With the Funkin, you're just going to need a tiny bit of sugar because these are obviously syrup sugar based, same as the ODK, they are sugar based, okay? So we've got mango there. Feel free to go off there. I've wanted to go even more mango, so I've got Dead Man's Fingers mango rum. Again, you don't have to, you could go plain rum. I just wanted to go double mango. There we go. We've got JD Taylor, John D. Taylor's Velvet Falernum. Falernum is kind of like a tropical tiki ingredient. Really easy to get online in the UK. We've got kind of got lime notes in there. We've got almond notes, ginger notes, kind of Caribbean spices. It's lovely. Is alcoholic, 11, it's quite weak though, 11%. Quite cheap as well, but it's a great, great tiki ingredient. We've got some ODK lime juice. I've got some freshly squeezed orange juice, complete with bits, because I like my bits. And I've got some Stillabunt Foamers in there, so we're going to have a foamer. It's going to be served up, as you've already just seen, it's going to be served up in a coupe glass. So, let's go. First ingredient, Dead Man's Fingers, mango rum, just purely because, why not? Why not? The DMF, they're pretty much out there now. You can get certain flavours in different supermarkets, but easy to go. So I'm going for 60 ml, a double bubble. 2 ounces of mango rum. Dead Man's Fingers are great, just, you know, they're not the world's best rums or anything like that, but they are fantastic for mixing and creating fun drinks, all right? So that's why we use them. Right, front forward, yeah. JD Taylor's Velvet Falernum, let's just give you a little close-up on that so you can see that. And say, it's been around a very, very long time. Just 15 ml. Half an ounce, that's all I'm going to use there. It's quite, as I say, it's quite thick. Syrupy, it's just an alcoholic syrup essentially, but it's lovely, lovely. We're going for some ODK lime juice, long life, shelf stable. As I keep saying on this, cheaper, it is cheaper than lime, and it is proper professional grade. You know, it's not like your Jif lemon, your Jif lime juice, it's proper professional grade. It is lime juice. All right, so feel free, you will use it. If you're making like really classic cocktails, feel free to use freshly squeezed, but for this sort of stuff, honestly, you ain't going to taste the difference. What are we going for? We're going for, I've completely forgotten what we're doing, a rambling 30 ml, that's what we're doing, 1 ounce. 30 ml, oh, I forgot, didn't I? I forgot. Again, I'm going for 30 ml of freshly squeezed orange juice. You think I've forgotten my mango syrup, don't you? Oh, I haven't forgotten my mango syrup, don't you worry, don't you worry. I had. And we are going, how much are we going for? We are going for, what should we do? We're going for 22.5 ml. So 3/4 of an ounce. Here we go. And if you're using UK mil, so like if you did 50 ml, then I would just dial that back down, probably to 15 ml, all right? So there we go. Right, that's that. And then this, I'm gonna do slightly different than I did in the last video. I am actually, because this is going in the coupe glass, I'm just going to dry shake it, and you'll see the difference if you watched the other video, the last video in there. But again, the same thing, 8 drops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, get off the Drinkstuff website, just gives, it's basically an egg white replacement. You won't taste them, make 600 cocktails, that will, easy. It looks quite expensive, but when you see how many cocktails it makes, it's going to do the job. So, dry shake. Just so you can see the difference between the last one I did and this one. So we're going from that, about 5-6 seconds. Yeah, see that, nice and frothy. Lovely, right. And then just going to ice this down, loads of ice, and then, oh, that is smelling, oh, that's smelling really good. Right, and then just proper hard fast shake, 10, 12 seconds to chill it down. Right, and we are ready. Oh, that smells so good. It smells so good. Right, the glass I'm going for this one is kind of like a Tiki coupe glass. That's what we like. Again, get that from Drinkstuff. And then I'm just going to double strain. Get rid of all those little tiny shards of ice. You can see the foamers doing their thing. We've got a lovely frothy. Oh, that is bang on perfect. Look at that. And then again, I've gone garnish free for this. Feel free to stick a wedge of pineapple on the side, whatever you fancy. But you know, sometimes you just don't need a garnish. Popping up on screen will be even more Monin syrups and probably more Monin mango videos for you to dive into. Go and check them out. As always, if you like me, if you like the recipe, big old thumbs up, please. If you don't want to miss any of our future content, make sure you subscribe to the channel.